with something else.
Mommy, I need help. Help, Mommy.
Hold on, Laura.
I want you to hang it right there. We're almost done. We just need to put the star on.
All right.
Mommy, where's these other stuff? We need to put the other stuff in, don't we?
We didn't finish putting all these bulbs, Laura. We gotta put the bulbs on.
Oh, I can tie them too. Oh. Hurry up, Mommy.
Why? I'm not in a hurry.
This.
Oh, you can put it whatever you want.
That was just the star.
That was just the star.
There.
Hopefully it didn't break.
Did Mommy tell you you're going to break something? Oh, she said it in Spanish. Did you understand it?
Yes, she understands Spanish. She just don't have time to learn.
And she understands that when Mommy says it loudly in Spanish, it's something that she did wrong.
Uh-huh. She quickly run.
Whoa, that's breakable too.
Hold on, let me see that one. I don't remember that one. Oh, that's very nice.
That was from last
Look, it
Christmas.
still has the tag on.
Where'd it come from?
You should take the tag off. It has to be from Dye.
Whoa. Hurry up, Mommy. We can't stand in here.
Well, then don't stand there. Move.
I can't.
Good job, baby. Can I have more bulbs, please?
Whoa.
Thank you.